Setelah selesaikan masak saya daripada bahan yang menggunakan yang sangat dasar. Tekan excellent, ninja.
Ya, terima kasih. Thank you. Dapat ya.
Sebelum ni guna menu itu ambil jangka masa yang 10 minit atau saat gitu. Sekarang apabila lepas cikgu ajar cepatlah.
Empat. Cepat.
Belajar.
Daripada beberapa minit menjadi
Beberapa saat.
kan ya. Ada sesiapa yang sangat gembira kerana belajar cara ini boleh angkat tangan tak? Terima kasih kepada Shing ya. Dan terima kasih kepada manajemen bilion yang mengadakan khusus ini ya. Ada khusus ini baru-baru. Ya.
How fantastic my life was.
What is what?
Sorry, got a location
Yeah, this week every month. Right?
every month.
So now instead of stay late home, you
Go back home earlier,
know last time is like what time you go back every
10, 11.
10 11 now?
Now can go back home earlier.
Like what time?
On time.
On time is 6
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock, right? 6
Yeah.
o'clock. Wow! Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you very much
Thank
for
you.
giving me a opportunity to help you.
Okay, thank you.
And thank you, you raised the issue, right? So don't keep it there, right? Because of just because it cannot be done by ourselves, right? But someone can do it.
Yes.
Yeah. So we need to ask. Right? When I ask the right person, you get the solution.
Yes. Thank you for solving my problem. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.